How to convert AVIF to JPG image or any other file format. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can convert AVIF to JPG image or any other file format. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that you have to open up a browser. So you can open any browser that you prefer and head towards the search bar, and in the search bar all you have to type is AVIF to JPG. Press enter in your keyboard. Then you land on multiple search results. So from here you can head over to anyone, but for now we will head towards this convertio.co and click on it. Now using this convertio.co you can convert your AVIF to JPG. But if you click on this drop down, you can select different file format. So you can select your preferred file format, but for now we will just go with JPG. Now you have to upload your file. Click on choose file. Then you have to choose your AVIF file from your device. Then click on open. After that, go ahead and click on convert, or your file will be converted automatically. If you see convert button, click on it, and once the process is complete you will see your file ready to download. All you have to do is download your file and then you will have your preferred file format. So that's the way to convert your AVIF to the JPG file format or any other file. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.